Hey guys, this is Karen Merrow. Welcome to my channel. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about mindset to make money online in 2018, 17 ways rich people think. If this is your first time to my channel, I wanted to explain just a little bit about what this channel is about. I'm going to be documenting my journey from an employee to entrepreneur and building an affiliate marketing business from scratch and showing you how to do it as well, whether you're a newbie or someone who's been struggling online. I'm going to show you the tips and strategies along the way, as well as mindset to help you have success online. So that's being said, let's go ahead and dive into the content here. We're going to be talking again about mindset to make money online in 2018, 17 ways rich people think. Mindset is the most important piece of the puzzle to create success with your business. You may think it's traffic or whatever training, but it actually is mindset. Everyone's external world and reality is a direct reflection of their internal mindset. So no matter what training or business you try to build, unless you have your belief system aligned with what you want, nothing will happen for you. It's like a thermostat. Unless you believe you're worthy of success or believe that you can, you will always go back to what you believe internally. It's just like a thermostat. You set it at a certain temperature, it's going to always go to that temperature. And that's why people who win the lottery and don't feel worthy or don't have that abundance mindset, that's why they always find a way subconsciously to go back to that set point of what they're used to, that level of success. If you believe you're worthy of success and having $1 million in the bank, your subconscious will work to make that a reality. On the contrast, if you believe money is bad or hard to come by, your subconscious will make sure you don't have money and that you don't become rich. The most important thing you need to do to have a mindset to make money online is to work on your internal game. So do you often wonder why some people make millions of dollars and other people struggle, given the exact same system and the same training? It all comes down to mindset and beliefs. So you must break your negative belief patterns about money and success and recondition yourself for success and abundance. This is the most important key if you are to succeed. We're going to go over the 17 ways rich people think differently. This is by T. Harv Eker. Number 1, rich people believe I create my life. Poor people believe life happens to me. Number 2, rich people play the money game to win. Poor people play the money game not to lose. Number 3, rich people are committed to being rich. Poor people want to be rich. Number 4, rich people think big, poor people think small. Number 5, rich people focus on opportunities, poor people focus on obstacles. Number 6, rich people admire other rich and successful people, poor people resent rich and successful people. Number 7, rich people associate with positive, successful people. Poor people associate with negative or unsuccessful people. Number 8, rich people are willing to promote themselves and their value. Poor people think negatively about selling and promotion. Number 9, rich people are bigger than their problems. Poor people are smaller than their problems. Number 10, rich people are excellent receivers. Poor people are poor receivers. Number 11, rich people choose to get paid based on results. Poor people choose to get paid based on time. Number 12, rich people think both. Poor people think either or. Number 13, rich people focus on their net worth. Poor people focus on their working income. Number 14, rich people manage their money well. Poor people mismanage their money well. Number 15, rich people have their money work hard for them. Poor people work hard for their money. Number 16, rich people act in spite of fear. Poor people let fear stop them. Number 17, rich people constantly learn and grow. Poor people think they already know. I'm going to go back to number 16 because I believe this is key to why people do not succeed and why people do not break through. Because people will let fear stop them. When you're moving outside your comfort zone and doing something new, you will feel fear. That is just a given. You're going to feel fear, you'll feel doubt, worry. All these negative emotions are going to come up. But you have to act in spite of that. Suspend your disbelief, and you have to continue to act despite having fear. And that's what's going to allow you to break through. So this is key to your success. I remember reading one time that Michael Jordan said the more he plays the game, the more he feels it is more an internal game than an external game. That he actually goes through the game in his mind before he goes out on the court. And he's one of the most successful athletes there ever was, and he believes that it's more internal than external. So if you master these beliefs and ways of acting, you will have the mindset to make money online. Again, you can have the best training, the best systems in the world, but if you don't master your inner game, then you're going to continue to struggle. And I really want you to have success in your business, have success making money online, and be able to move from an employee to an entrepreneur mindset. And that's what this channel is all about. I'm going to be teaching you this tips and strategies on how to build an affiliate marketing business from scratch. And again, I'm going to be documenting my journey. I'm going to leave a link below this video to my story and my background so you can kind of learn a little bit more about me and what this channel is about. And if you found value from this video, go ahead and give me a like, a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. And that way you can be notified when I upload more videos like this. And because I'm going to be uploading videos on a regular basis. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care. Bye now.